Hey everybody, I'm Nigel.
And I'm Ashley.
And welcome back. This is our last video before we go to Hong Kong. A lot of people pack in totally different ways when they go on a trip. We've seen people that have way too little. Most of the time, people have way too much. We don't have the ability to pack large. Let's maybe make a video and show you what we're actually leaving America with and what we're expecting to take with us along the journey.
We'll go through everything that we picked out to bring for this trip. We're doing this just based off of reviews and like gut feeling that something will be good to bring. So we'll keep you guys updated along the way on what actually works.
And we'll show you prices of what we paid for.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Hi, we're Ashley and Nigel. We recently quit our jobs and sold our home in Seattle and are now traveling the world full time. Welcome to our channel.
So we're gonna start off with the biggest to smallest when it comes to bags. It's the backpack that we expect to possibly have to check in on certain international flights. When you're flying Americanized airlines, there's a lot of room for carry-ons. Internationally, that's just not a thing.
We have the largest backpack that we will be taking. It is an Osprey. This is a 35-liter bag. I actually used this when we traveled through London, a little bit of France, Belgium. It's a great backpack. It's breathable in the back, has straps that you can tie around your waist.
But this won't be our, we're getting out the house in Hong Kong. We wanna go see the city. We're probably gonna leave this in our Airbnb or hotel. But this is the big guy that's gonna carry most of our weight. If you see here, once you pack it all up, they actually have a strap that you can strap here and tighten it so it actually shrinks down a bit. The opener unzips as of so, lots of room.
Very roomy.
Interior straps that do the exact same thing as the exterior straps. We've had this now for what, 4 years?
Yeah, maybe 3 years.
Yeah.
Very, very roomy.
And we use packing cubes whenever we travel. Ashley would be able to carry this. I would be able to carry this. So we make sure it's not too heavy for either one of us.
Next up,
this is a new guy.
this is the new one. This will be my backpack. I got a little bit of a smaller one, so it was a little easier to carry, less harsh on my back. Also Osprey, love this brand by the way for traveling. Highly recommend. This is a 26 liter, but it actually extends out. If you could see here, you can unzip to become a 32. Unzip this guy.
It only unzips on 3 portions. So as you see, it stops zipping here, folds open like an old school bag. Interiorly, you also have that strap.
Exactly, and you can see how roomy it is in here too.
It's much bigger than it looks from the outside.
It's surprisingly roomy.
We'll probably be able to fit 4 compressionary cubes in here as well.
Laptop holder as well. Water bottle holders on this one.
And as you see, it also, like the other bag, has this air vex area, so the heat is not just building up on your back.
Very
I'm
breathable.
a back sweaty cat, so when I wear these things, it limits my back sweat from about 93% of my back covered in sweat to at least about 60.
This one is sizable enough to where we actually can take it out. So this will double as like a bigger day bag. And lastly, the little shoulder bag. This is more of like an everyday kind of, hey, we're gonna go out to the market, we're doing something. Has water bottle holder here as well. It's got some room in it. It is a little bit small. Has everything that you need to fit for like a day trip size worth of stuff.
I really like using this to carry on the camera. I don't want to hold the camera the whole time, and our camera bag doesn't have a strap on. It's like a bathroom bag. So you don't want to walk around with this all day, and it's hard to take this out, put the clips on. I just rather put it all together and keep it in this guy. Walk around like this, and then when I want to film, it's easy to just take the camera out, film, and put it back in, zip it. Another company we highly recommend. Final bag, we just actually purchased this, haven't used it yet. We're gonna try to see how this works When you're traveling international, it's good to carry your passports with you.
Just safekeeping for money. Anything that you want to have like directly available to you. It fits well under your clothes. It's that small, so you can kind of hide it along the way.
Yep.
Like that, if you would like. Also, this is a really good brand for travel gear. We haven't used these long term yet, so we'll keep you posted.
Now we're gonna switch over to electronics next.
Woo!
Electronic bag.
This is really good quality. This is the first time that I'm actually holding it full.
Yeah.
And like, this is solid.
Yeah. Tech is very important when you're traveling, especially if you're traveling full time. In here right now, we have an external charger, which has all different types of settings here, but you can actually click in your own that it's a longer cord, because these cords are very short. But if you just need a quick charge while you're sitting around watching TV, this guy really works. For cords, we're bringing two different types of cords. We're bringing a long cord and we're bringing a short cord. So we're gonna have both of these. You know how you always end up in that Airbnb or that hotel and the bed and the charging port are nearly a mile away. We brought a big one for that. But if it's close or we just need to charge our phone while we're walking around, we bring in a small one. When you're traveling international, you're gonna need to use plugins, and not all plugins are made the same. Just get yourself one of these. Universal socket adapter.
Yeah, something like that.
And we've got two of these that we are gonna bring. They work for Asia, they work for Central Europe, they work for Western, Eastern Europe, South America, Mexico. Just get one of these, bring it everywhere if you're traveling international. I promise you it's gonna save you a lot. External hard drive, 5 terabyte hard drive. If you're filming, you need something like this. If you're not, you don't need as big of a hard drive.
And then entertainment, I guess, would be next.
Yep, USB cords are important. So we did buy this Apple box. Now this can plug into pretty much any TV that has a USB cord. It comes with a power cord as well. You plug it in and it connects you to all your subscriptions, your Netflix, and this way you don't have to sign in. If you've ever done that before and forgot to sign out, somebody else is using your thing. I promise you that. These are not gonna go into the tech bag, but these are tech that is necessary. Noise canceling headphones are the top thing to get. If you have the room and you have the space to bring it, get yourself some noise canceling headphones. Unfortunately, with all we're bringing right now, we just don't have the space for them. Simple headphones that are easy to charge, easy to pop into your pocket, pull them out when you're on the flight. So that's tech for us. Next, we're gonna move on to bathroom stuff.
Next up, our bathroom bag. This is from Trip, same company as our packing cubes. We started using this one already for travel and I absolutely love this guy. Unzips and it has multiple compartments. This actually hangs from your shower or anywhere in your bathroom so that you don't have to have things just like cluttered all around the sink or in the shower or anything like that. So this is perfection here. There's a ton of room. You can see all the different compartments in here. This is a steal.
All the small stuff will fit right in there, but some of the big stuff won't. For example, we bought this for our toothbrush. We like electric toothbrushes. Once you get an electric toothbrush, it's really hard to go back to just manually doing it. Instead of bringing 2 electric toothbrushes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring 1 electric toothbrush with 2 different heads.
2 holders.
And we just switch out the heads every day. This will limit our packing space, because if not, we'd have had to bring 2 containers like this. As far as my beautiful facial hair, I had to buy some trimmers as well, and it comes in this nice little packing spot. It's Manscaped on this one.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, which is a great company for any type of trimmers you need.
This doesn't come with like, you know, clippers will normally come with like 10 plus settings and little clip-ons that you have
and you'll
for
lose
the size.
them. This one, it's clipped onto it.
Yes, exactly. So you just rotate to whatever size that you want here. And there's multiple settings. And so it should be pretty easy. He's used it a couple times. Loves it so far. Look at that. Look how clean.
Look at that.
All right, next up, this is new to us. This is dry shampoo and conditioner. We started using this because we knew that we wouldn't be able to take large bottles of liquid with us. It smells good, the quality's great. It actually lasts a long time. You get multiple showers and washes out of this. And we also purchased beauty bar bags is what this is called. So we have one for our regular soap, our shampoo, and our conditioner. It's a mesh bag that basically houses the bars. It helps with the suddiness of it as you're trying to wash.
I love the way it cleans my hair. I have a lot of hair now and got to wash it way more than I used to when I had short hair. And both the conditioner and the shampoo work really well.
So this was actually a gift from a dear friend of ours, Josh. Sea to Summit is the brand on this one. This is actually a clothesline. So we're gonna be staying in places where we may not have access to a washer and dryer. And you can hand wash your clothes and then you dry them on this.
In most of the Asian countries we're going to, even if they do have a washer, they don't have a dryer. Thanks, Josh.
Yes, thank you. Another thing, it's a little travel hair straightener in case I do want to make it look a little bit nicer. Look how tiny this thing is.
Yeah.
I haven't used it yet, so I will keep you guys updated on the quality of this thing, but it looks adorable. It's very cute, fits in this small little pouch here.
I personally think she's gonna burn her scalp a bunch of times because it's so small. Other things that are not gonna fit in there, obviously, will be like deodorant.
Right, yeah.
My hair gel to make these gorgeous, luscious curls.
Look at those curls, y'all. Look at this luscious curl.
No big deal.
Lastly, I think sunscreen. So I have really sensitive skin.
Everyone should be
True.
wearing sunscreen if you're gonna have extended exposure to outside. UV rays go through clouds. Sunscreen is important. Find your brand of sunscreen.
Yes.
Wear it all the time. People, take care of yourself.
This is my preferred brand. It's a little pricey. I don't know if we'll actually be able to find it internationally, but we'll be able to find something there. But
Most
for now,
Asian countries have a little bit more of a in-tuned on body care techniques and creams and stuff like that.
Creams and stuff like that.
Creams and
Creams.
things.
Skincare. He means skincare.
All right, so next we're gonna show you what we are packing personally. It's a lot less than you expect when we're leaving for 2 years.
Part of the fun in traveling is just getting to understand the culture, and the fashion is a part of that too. So why not buy something, not take so much when you're on the way there, buy stuff while you're in a certain location, donate what you don't want as you leave, and you just kind of do that along the way in each different area. Let's talk about the airport clothing and what you want to actually wear when you're flying. What you typically want to do is you want to be prepared for multiple ranges of all different types of temperatures.
All at once, too.
All at once.
Try to find clothes that can be both warm, keep the air away from me, but allow my legs to breathe. Especially when you're gonna fly a long flight, picking out the appropriate flight attire is extremely important. A lot of these long flights, they give you slippers. You want to be able to slip off your shoes easy, slip on those slippers. Wearing tight-fitting shoes for 15 hours, that's not going to feel great. Everything needs to be based on long-term comfort.
I'll have a shawl as well in case we're going to any temples where it's you need to respect it and you need to cover your shoulders or your legs if I have on shorts or something like that, so I'll have something to cover.
The shawl is really important. Each culture has their own thing, but if you're gonna visit someone else's culture, all you gotta do is follow their rules. It's the easiest thing to do, It's nice, and it shows that you respect them
Yeah.
and you respect their culture. Give a little bit of respect and you'll get it back. Now we're gonna pack it all up, and we're gonna show you that we actually can fit the bags packed up and on our shoulders, and it's not gonna look as large as you think.
And 2 backpacks. That's it. Two.
We're not even gonna use that third one. That third one's gonna be packed actually in one of the backpacks. So check it out. All right, we even had one extra.
Yeah. 1 extra little packing cube. Right in this guy.
Yep. This guy looks a little bulbous.
Yeah. We'll fix that. But you get it. It fits.
All right, you first.
It's so light. This is so simple.
So simple.
This is the best backpack, I swear by it.
Now the heavy boy, which is not that heavy.
Oh yeah, that's heavy. That's heavy.
Not for muscles.
It looks like a lumpy turd.
To take the weight off of my delicate little abdomen, hook it up like this. I can still jump. I can still ball.
Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look
No.
at that.
See, he's gonna tear his ACL doing something stupid like that a week before.
If I would have been wearing shoes, I wouldn't have did that. Barefoot. I got that grip, y'all. This is it. We are packed. We leave in
a week from today.
week from today. We're gonna be in LA one night, and then we are heading to Hong Kong. We have 1 month in Hong Kong. We're gonna do a couple days in Macau, about a week in Shenzhen, China, and then we are heading to Vietnam for about a month and a half.
At least a month and a half.
We're
Yeah.
gonna see our boy Phong out there.
Yeah.
Check out Hanoi. Eat our weight and pho and banh mi. So
Oh, I just cannot wait.
Yeah.
Every day, all day, if you ask me.
we are extremely excited to do this. We're extremely excited to have you guys along with us.
What we really hope is that what we're doing and what we're going to show you guys along the way would inspire you to do the same.
You do not have to quit your jobs and travel the world full time, but just don't miss out on what the world has to offer. Don't let fear get in your way. Don't let what if get in your way. I promise you, traveling will educate you and you'll know more about yourself.
There's a big world out there. There's a lot to see, but it's a lot easier than you think. We'll show you some cool tips along the way. We'll show you how easy and painless it can be. If you have a plan and you're prepped, just take a shot.
Please feel free to message us if you have questions
Yeah.
about travel, you have questions about these backpacks. We're gonna link everything we bought, where to buy it on this video.
Yeah!
Yeah, I'm Nigel,
And I'm Ashley.
and we're our roaming empire. We'll see you in Hong Kong.
See you guys.
Keep chasing that itch. The TV just turned on again. What up? If I could find it.
There you go.
There it is. I may be a hon-hon, but I'll deal with it.